pulled this out of their CRM, HubSpot, and they had a re-engagement email template. For those of you who don't believe about the system, the template goes like this. Hi, contact first name. I tried to reach you a few times to go over your suggestions on improving blank. Haven't heard back from you, which tells me one of three things. See, you already know.
I'm getting nauseous. Don't even finish. I'm about to throw up. Yeah.
And the funny one was which comes right out of your course is you fall and you can't get up. In that case, let me know. And
it's garbage.
Help you out.
Would that work in dating? Absolutely not. You would get a restraining order, and if you did have a good law enforcement in your community, there'd be a car outside your house waiting to see if you were wandering around like grade schools. Like only creepy psychos would send something like that in the real world. But yet it's on HubSpot in the business world. It's like, it's just bad protocol.
It's their template.
Yeah, it's a bad template, and we're wondering why we're not selling anything.
I was a sales manager, and I like it way better on the active side.
Yep.
So for all those, going back to what you said earlier, your story about I can't do more and the frustration of it, that's your competition out there. That's who you're competing against.
Yep.
And people's going to find an easy way out and be like, oh my God, I don't even have to pick up the phone. I just fill in the blank with the template.
Right.
And send it out.
Yeah, just don't be lazy. Hey, it's Matt Easton. If you like this video, you're going to love this. I'm going to teach you how to close right here, right now. I'm going to cover all the costs for you. We're going to get you the closing mini masterclass. I pick up all the costs. It's free to you. I'll cover the $299. Click the link in my bio. You're going to get access to the class. It's going to show you how to close anyone, anytime, without being pushy or manipulative. Your life is about to change. We're about to become best friends. Click the link in my bio. I'll cover the cost for you to learn how to close.